Hi, I'm RWoodruff with BISH'S RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. Today we're looking at a 29 Forest River 36B5. That B stands for bunkhouse. It's a Forest River product, great coach. It sleeps, I think I counted like a dozen and a half, maybe 2 dozen. I get confused easily. Let's take a really quick look at this. There's a lot to go on with this rig. I'm gonna give you a quick overlay on this one. It's a 2019, it's fully loaded, it's got the side cameras, backup camera, hydraulic leveling, it's on the big 22.5-inch bus size wheels, automatic push button awning, outside TV, great storage. Got a neighbor that was irritating you last night, turn this stereo on first thing in the morning and go out and go fishing. That'll teach him to be quiet. Anyways, we got a lot of stuff to talk about. Love the storage on this, all the doors are side swing. This is all rotocast plastic. Great storage, can't rot, doesn't rust. It's water resistant. Here's one of the big slides on the passenger side. It's right at the end of that main awning. So you've got all of your awning that you can use. Love that. And then you still have a good size slide on the patio side. It's not going to get in the way of the patio. It's got a place here to hook up an outside barbecue, outside cooktop, what have you. This goes all the way through and out the other side. There's so much to talk about with this unit. I don't know if you noticed this, but on this side, we have 2 water heaters, 2 furnaces, 2 ACs. We got 2 of everything. I love that. We got our big 2-inch trailer hitch back here with a 7-way pin, great for towing. On the off side, or the driver's side of the coach, this is our rear dump station for the rear full bath. Yeah, the rear full bath. Here's that big storage I was just telling you about. Lots of pass-through storage, automatic transfer switch, so you don't have to get out and move the plug if you want to run the generator while you're going down the road, keep the AC on. Fuel fill over here. And here is the forward dump station. Okay, for the forward bathroom. It's a full bath. You pick up on that? We got 2 full bathrooms. 2 showers, 2 toilets, 2 sinks, 2 bathrooms. Let's go inside and take a look at this. This is great. Nice big entry door. I can imagine literally carrying in 2 bags of groceries instead of making a dozen trips. So we have a twin drop-down bunk up front. Both these cab chairs, really nice seats, very well bolstered, very comfortable for a long ride. They're both going to spin around, become part of the living room, or act as a secondary dining station. Because remember, this has 2 full bathrooms. So we've got the sofa that acts as a recliner straight across from the TV, where everybody really wants it. Then we have the big booth dinette. Makes for a very nice, comfortable bed for a couple of children. So we've got that front overhead bed, the sofa makes into a bed, the booth makes into a bed, and we're slowly working our way back. Oh look, we got a couple more beds. So, another bed with a TV, and down here we have another bed with a TV. Here we have our forward bathroom. This is a full bath with shower. It's a nice radius corner shower. A little bigger than a lot of the corner showers, a little longer. And it is a full bath. Back here, we've got it's a good sized bed. It's a king size bed in the master bedroom with its own TV, nice bank of closets. And yet as we go back a little bit more, now we're in mom and pop's bathroom. Again, it's a full bathroom with shower, with a seat here. That way I can, put my feet up there, shave my legs. Wife likes it when I do that. So we're a relationship. We'll talk about it later. Nice sink. Again, a nice pantry here. This is pre-plumbed, pre-wired, and installed with the The Splendide 2100, the newest washer dryer. It does everything. Washes, dries it. Throw your stuff in there, set it, forget it, walk away, go have a Ronco toast. I'm Roger Woodruff with BISH'S RV here in beautiful Junction City, Oregon. If you have any questions about this one or any of the other rigs here, give me a holler. Thank you. Have a great day.